Just got this stuff called ScreenKlean, and I'm going to try it out. I'm kind of a clean fanatic, and I am constantly cleaning stuff at home and cleaning my screen, cleaning all kinds of glass stuff, and it drives me nuts if it's not clean. So here we go. Taking this apart. Pretty simple. There's nothing else to do except obviously go back and forth on this thing. So already I'm seeing it disappear. There go my prints. Oh my goodness. Wow. Just one pass and it works. What can I tell you? This is really what they said it would do. And I couldn't be happier. I mean, I've tried various things. I mean, microfiber, enhanced with something. But, I'm always concerned about what it's going to do to my screen, too. This seems very soft. And, they tell you never use, watery stuff because, something weird might happen to gets into your technology, then you're really in trouble. So, I like the idea that it's dry and, it's compact. And again, it does exactly what it says it's got to do. So what could be better than that?
This is ScreenKlean, and it's a carbon technology cleaner that's non-toxic that I can use on my computers and iPads, glasses, I imagine. So let's try it on my computer. This is filthy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So you have to press down, but you can use it like an eraser. And I think that's how it works the best. It actually picks up the smudges and all. This works much better than a cloth because the cloth, I often find that it leaves lint and residue on the screen and I have to keep going back. But this is just one item, small, easy to store. But what I like about it is this was the dirtiest screen I've ever seen, and it's really it's taken all of that away. ScreenKlean, definitely recommend this. Ah, look at this. The smudges are disappearing. Yep, wow, that's pretty good. Oh my God, that really is great. I mean, look, I had all these fingerprints with makeup on there and it has just disappeared like an eraser. It's like I get to erase all of my smudge marks. So quick, it's non-toxic. All those sprays that get in, and I'm always worried they're going to ruin my computers. Carbon technology at its best.